Obo say ye dey sounds and ye dey work akogina baby ni atwa wo mfonyini ni asperade no wo social media sa me dwere ho amenti ase. Say is it allowed say continuously we have to experience some of these things continuously and what says ani me etwaso obi a na wo say arrest no dey handcuff shen sa ni atwa no mfoni spread e dey kwa bonten wabra ne body no kra no che say e say da nya boni mpo obi a na wo say ye ne sa security experts for mutie me ne security personnel for mutie me na asefo ne mo amaye adwuma wo security services ne mu bi atwa mu no WhatsApp line is 0509438500 moma yensu ade moma yencha ade say at what particular time ne lawyers for na munsu mutie me yes mo amoye mranim for no at what particular time and as ye kwakọ chinipa I was here the hank of edition nsa because mentiase se me take as afidie so na manoko yi meka manoko pass pain na post force wo mo ba ubehu the next thing is wo nya ba ya ye the hank of asha wonsa. What really does it demand that say a hank of no say abaya life be abaya yibi wabra e bi kura nipa no ye ba ye one resist invitation ni arrest no yes here the hank of no e se ni sa chinchina twan. See, I am raising a debate that was a yashasi did the home common near Pentiasie near Tiasie ye wunu say sadeno a new concert cost what was sa say no bianso na was here the hank of edition and some because that time had I see what we attempt what do you see attempt to the hank of ashen ah wakunipa wabokro no why dey boni ben kwanti so this morning this is a debate we have to have. I've also hold this debate na yenyanti ase say security service for no enya abuse of near man na mo ye na say netie. There such as so crying say a chill wadi ukupio near your chow photo crown near sign share near sign spread it. Is it allowed? I don't want to be myself a security expert. That's why I'm asking this question. That's why I am raising this argument for us to debate on. Sabeya benyantiasie on that subject na edaponosono. Na ye nyina yatumi ehunu the way forward for all of us, because ye the neema be intimidated timemufo ye the titi timemufo ye the hunahuna timemufo se pragia driver kra na kwan so ye be ya iria obo say na ye de ashenensa na ye de nako at the end of the day no so ebia the matter for which would they handcuff no dia shedi panonsa no ebi ho enkopie mu o law court o enkopie mu o court enso ne de ade na hyenensa station ho a ne akwa danda nsem na ne ajamu na nipa no ko no baby but ye de hyenensa again de to aso nipa bia de was ye invite no ana say ye ka say ye arrest na was ye chi that straightforward ne de na akwa to cells ana bone no nyina na safata se nipa no ye ya enya chi na ne de na kwa cells ana because cells na ye de amount for hye no ye de ti wo mu ene ma hoduo so na owura constitution mu nso a ye wo dibre bi ahoduo bi ase wo kopre a you say if you have been in cells before na asefo a you cannot contest that position. So if say yes adena, are we not denying people what future and near my hoodwa see your money so mo person mo priana? Are we not doing that to them? I'm not going into details to that matter, but may raise a debate for us to have, for us to hold. Nini unkomona security personnel nanso amutie me nonso no mon hyase na monso mo ankasa mo nwe na mo nwene ho se de mo ye na sefata se mo ye, because emra no mo bremra na se mra no mo bremra na se pa mo amamra no e hyase ye mre mo mfa buo emfa mamra no mo ankasa mo toto mra na se. Yours is to maintain law and order. Law and order. But it is not happening. We are not seeing same. You are not maintaining the law. You are destroying the law and you are destroying the orderliness. Mommy ye twasa bi de ato ha ma ye ho politics nti ye twasa bi a ensem fata mommy ye. And I pay me person me do be na fe mi kwa ready we no me person me ye layman and pay ntina na pay me fa wonko wura bia anya research bia anko kan act bia anko kan law bia amfa nkyerɛw. I am only raising a concern, and if we are ready to discuss that, then we will go into that, then we will read the needed laws, then we will quote all the laws we have to quote. Because mona moye lead na modi anim na emra no mo ye hu kwan e fa so ye adwuma ne sede emra no sitie no mu tiatia emra no so bu emra na nimtia mu tiatia emra no so e bu emra na nimtia. And I wonder say lawyers no so sometimes you don't contest some of this nanka police for na security mpenifo no mudi anim na 10 times no mo de handcuff show bi no that could, if you take them on at least nko mo be jai di omo ye no take them on. Now you take them on. Now one moment who say masa juma na wo ye na juma tan juma fin juma bi na ye no enye bibia na wose ya de handcuff sheni pansa wo enye bibia na wose ya de handcuff sheni pansa monte ase na mo ankasa nso munim nye bibia na ya de handcuff sheni pansa nye bibia nso na ya de nipa tum na sa bela yi no nso amode aba beto ho no ma kakraka no mu tiatia mra no so mu bomra no so pa me kai Martin Pebu ko pimo Supreme Court ko argue say say everything ade bia ye a bailable case bia betumi agibil dia massa ansem no exceptions kakra bi na bata ho but niema ba ku mienu bi wo ho a wutumi say we die eni wo kwanse nke be ye to kai ko atire ye wo ye bebre and so bail in 70 na ya mana ba betene about a topic of the day. You wasted lots of our time. You did discuss it. I'm in fair on Chiro. If you remember South Africa, one more attacks near Moniama Hodona, Eko Solo. This morning, I must be frank, I must be fair, I must be honest, I must be transparent, I must be straightforward too. Obibia will tell me an pay.
That is cutting away millions of dollars, even abusing.
So okupie mo NPP NDC. Womo no amosu o makusku akwa acquire certificate. Ekuta doctorate ni na sefo no. They are disappointing their party one, and they are disappointing the nation Ghana. Why am I saying this? So oko heard debater and Ghana for be 300 and over ne omo kika ho ayede omo ba Ghana ne nasefo a akwa could raise debate our social media hodo na you have doctors and learned people arguing and debating say na adom penso na Ukraine ye kofa bi bae na we nya the first time they are trying to equalize and make justifications out of nothing na e mami hu say adwene ni nyansa ni nipa dodo na tirim. Because what could school say, oh, Baba solve issues, but all the end of politics, you are not solving anything. You are just equalizing and justifying. Mean really any post from the side of the NPP or the NDC, Abia safo ya yɛde ɔmo abai they make suggestions say yɛbɛma ɔmo life no asisi ne nan so yɛ make suggestions say kwan we ne yɛfa so a yɛbɛ create jobs de ama ɔmo yɛ make suggestions say yɛbɛ monitor safo na yɛde ɔmo aba no sɛ bɛyɛ ɔmo mental fortitude ne bɛsi so yie bɛgyina yie na ɔmo adam ɔmo ba bɛtu ne de ɔmo bɛyɛ bia bɛyɛ kama na nkonko resulted into different thing nanka going forward ni way forward no kwai we ni emfa timemufo mfa so kwai we ni emfa mine mfa so making prudent necessary wise suggestions are a development beba there be equalization okuta doctorate okuta masters okuta certificate akese ahodo de all ya ne say or refer to say NPP ye say NDC ye say ye evacuate nipa bi say until today we need not to cheer the government of the day ya bo mo prepro mo ne yaku omo no enye fe omu hia basobo na even krasa wo mo abaso no kra na bring out suggestions actually say with the solutions ba actually say with doctorate now ukuta no actually say with certificate now ukuta no you are reasoning, you are understanding situations at hand and you are creating solutions for those situations. Politics and I am of politics and I am of there nti co school no politics ni as certificate ni de mo akosua no mo fam rambe that unnecessary, unwelcome and grim kind of conversations ni commentary na mo make no eno ne hia mo kade na efe kra senka yase Ghana for kra wo ko wiase afana kra na wo mo makokoko pe nyuma kra no so because enyuma wa ha ma emrofo no kra na edwane ba ha ne other countries for na edwane ba ha ba be adwuma because our politics is creating solutions, but over here our politics is not creating solutions. Our politics is creating unnecessary and wild arguments ehun hia enkwa na politics na eye wo kroma argument ehun hia. Now let's listen to a senate in Nigeria and some of the two jade for South Africa the bofu pa no kra de just and some of mokika na no dey, but to me that's not the best way to go and that's not the best way to solve issues or handle things. But Nigeria found the bofu senate on this almost senate back or parliament and some of the two jade na no dey pa yentie kakra.
I so hold and I persuade my colleague that when we come to prayers, we should include these two prayers: that MTN license be withdrawn, that DSTV license be withdrawn. There are Nigerians who can provide those services, and they will employ those who are coming back home from South Africa. You bite me once, I bite you twice. The second is that we ask the Minister of Communication of the federal government to revoke the DSTV, which is also a South African company that is cutting away millions of dollars, even abusing, resorting to practices that will not even be accepted in South Africa. I don't want this Senate to be shedding tears, to sympathize with those who have died. We didn't come here to shed tears, and I'm not going to shed tears. If you hit me, I hit you. I think it is appropriate in diplomacy. It's an economic struggle. What the black South Africans are saying is that Nigerians are taking their jobs. Okay, Nigerians, come home. I take over the job of MTN. Nigerians, come home. I take over the job of DSTV. When we hit back, the president of South Africa will not only talk, he will go on his knees to recognize that half Nigerians dated, and we do not if a crime has been
Nigeria Senate back on within 72 DSTV, MTN, they are also going to take back. They should sack their South Africans. Nina Sefo. I heard your woke people hold ya Nasa wo ya travel. As I know ya thing. Because they created that platform. They created that platform. We did not so they to me the corner your born for Edehe. And let's ask ourselves, look us no one more I build you up who drew Sabia ye provide these services. Say in case say a kasi ejia from nsemu, can they provide these services? And only question no. Ghana, your Ghana Telecom. Your Ghana Telecom. Amamenka asumwa 7 year yibi nchiro. Say madi nti. Anu nti na Ghana yani ankasa ye telecom, yani ankasa ye network entumi nyina ne so. Cut back, majiwe. And kabedem pa na near Vodafone ejina na say Airtel Tigo. Ha me aka say aban de. Yen hwese de si run no, yen hwese de si ye no. Ti say na ye ka say Nigeria MTN for ye pamo mo ye be den. These networks na ya aban de na aka no. Can they live up to what MTN is giving to us? DSTV that you enjoy no. Do we have local met me operate just like DSTV is doing to us? Me say your castle go feels my renew or my prepare or my bene or adru they can do same. Gombe to me aye. Nti ho de castle renew at metiase. But let's come to this telcos. Ne sa ne maye kan hoyi. Are we there? Are we ready? Can we offer the same services they are offering? Or what? Let's ask these simple questions. Ebe to me, yadru ho. Ebe to me aye. Omi yenhwe bibi ye. Yentie Kwame for former finance minister. Or the nsembedi tuja at the far ko pimo pristia 124 years ni and on my mind good. The simple question will be just still in develop here Adentia. It's a video now you ready my NT and somebody to ya.
Modian so many to me also. Pristia 1873. Now who said gold waha? History books the children say 1873. 1912. The gold mine waha. Which means about 124 years when we started mining gold in Pristia. But why are we in this situation? 124 years mining of gold in Pristia. Is that how Pristia should be now? And I know, yes, Ramo. Most sorry. I'm on my way. Ghana is number 1 gold producer in the whole Africa. Number 1. We are number 6 in the whole world. Why are we so poor? Where does the revenue go? I'm a Sompa. We are, wealthy on the ground, but we have no control of what we have. Gold ya wodi ansuni control also. So say da mine heath. Ehia momoa. Ye beye ama obi who said Ghana for betumi manage gold mines. Papa. Ye woni pa ya wakoma pa obetumi aye. Ye ehia na momoa. Me da ma se asra mu aka ho say na se de monyima me na mo mbabo aye. Anano betumi ayama ye.
Very nice question. Nice question. 124 years. Gold na ya say eya goodie sombo pa na eya de kase sesane ma na efe no. Emisa say bia ya ye tututu gold wo ye mai mo ha no say na hositie. Afi yemisa yon say gold na ye tua for how many years now no. And that's why they are bringing timemufo ne o mine no ene de. I don't know. Because okobia ya ye tutu gold ya nka ho na sa goodie yi efri pa Can you concept to say city? Because South Africa na kokore baby are too good na hard. Udru why you will ask yourself first question na hanum ade an nko na wo hanum ama hanum ye fesa. Akoye se wakwaku wura obi dem. Anaso wakopi obi fie. Who say fie ni ye fa na se ni dem ye fa. The first question is say hey, na se masi wo ye de adwuma. You want to know the source of your wealth. The source of income until I will live with that kind of fine life. But the MBC Oba baby too good na. Sikananka san free hoba. Sikani dream we free hopa anka san bana. Send a hosity. It doesn't look like you took a good year be the free ho. It doesn't look like bibi come a be at say sumo e free hodom. Oko pie hodom nyina akame say adane akurase. A ho kwan, a whole schools, a whole hospitals, a whole nsu a omonnom, a whole living. Ni omo bi bia say and it doesn't reflect like say ampa bibi pabi efiri ho. But all of this, your money here, young, I am far and no debate, and new who come and who the way forward are. I dare not ye 2 year free year from why you're rich. I dare not ye 2 year free year from honoma, and so one for so na a fair ye come no. Je penti, and a baby free nanka sana, what the end ye fe. Yen to me fancy see ho. Nanko be who say I'm pa a honey too good no. I'm pa. I had a former good year free banner. And pa a hanum na dinner your friend good no ye mine edi free no. It doesn't look like that. I think it is time we have to start this kind of conversation. Say a bit too good will be beer. Massa, I was a beer honum fast one no benya no crano. A cost through crack chain the baba by ho. You was a could be Pia by what? A copia by what me no me yenim. Tis a honoma ye too near the yehonum year. Obinso konya different resource, no so free. Baby awa no so the yen year. Near who's okay, good. Woman fast wa munyanie, oil, woman fast wa munyanie, cocoa. Woman fast wa munyanie then yet the building kakra na face kana ya gigide free gold koko na sefo akodi aban hodom no de abuwa kamu na womo de womu ni bi womu nya bi no na di develop hodom so e ka ho. But here is the case, baby a gold free ba, baby a cocoa free ba, baby a cashew, baby a oil, baby a manganese, baby a de ni nyina free ho ba no ni nyina ye poor. Nina ye poor. But why because how do you copy why a whole effort? We are not discussing some of this. All we are interested is who is coming next, who is living, who is coming next, who is living. And the time said the opposition parties are not asking questions. A bemetimi mufo hunu no mate ase sampa se woman ye do man show man so mbetumi ye. It is all about equalization, justification, equalization. Tanya dandan sa. I know na kwakwa danin come of the day. It's all about when a bit me do one item. It's all about when and no ding. It's all about when they are loud. Very, very sickening. We are sick as a country. We are sick. I don't think that South Africa for more. Omo de no omo resources no omo no womo tumi de ye ne ma panti no womo pamo ye intimate before so omo free home ra ha no no omo abanso a ye be hwe kwan ye be de omo be fa so both opposition na yi ye be make suggestions na manfo hu say we onkuta to me but adwene ekuta no ne mudo so that it will prepare the mindset of Ghanaians. Okay, then going forward, it's as soon as a man opportunity, a man a chance, a man a konya no so bet me ababe. We are not doing that. Tiana politics na ye sir. The monko so na mo pasa. Kwame mache.
Yemnyao.
Kwame na bom dizay.
Yamya domboko.
E da obadi anase. Ropa idea, where ye be a bush opinion.
Oh, Kwame say we there. I think say we are away.
They are away.
Yeah,
your opinion.
Oh, minimina, yenina, yadina, Evis, Kumaku. Yanam refi Okumko. DJ Kazopi no be a name no. Or Sompa 98.9 ewo Sunyani. Na I think some few days ago and Abranti and Shen and Nkwa ya na enumu na abusuafo hye ne se ene eyefia day 29 fi na ye bepe no korabie enti ne na enhu abehia se yenyina yeko na yeko tai echi yenyina any relationship, the friendship, the family we created at home. Enti yabeko na DJ Kazopi ne yakopene chi krabia kra. Enti Kwame, I think the more reason why also I a bit funeralistic and so honma I think say free her the next available bus biano a bit me a move na yako. And I catch you in your moment. Can say people have been calling me, said na ye manam so Kwame your program where you come. Te omushe nim say ya babe taye nua na chi na DJ Kazopi de oye nua oye ba oye adamfo oye kunu oye bibia bi
time bia be friend
bia or sompa ye fe no som de Kazopi.
It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate that death is making nonsense of life all of that. But
it's a yakupon. I mean, yabeko na yamabusuafo ni nyina nso yako. Kwame. De womunie. Mame na ase. Na mena yahwefo ni atifo nyina nso ase. Na yenka nchomu se those who have been complaining about TV, no. Of course, you cannot cry than the bereaved, and I feel so you can't be Catholic than the Pope. Yeah, you're much aware of it. Now, yes, sometimes you know about church. Yeah, I'm going to be we understand the things that's going on.
Sure.
Te drube bia na so prepare na waba. Until umunya potep cry why does it was here what you am I any here fidia ya jiegu a ya de be hye yo ba yes fidia ya jiegu a ya de be hye se be ya Kwame obia betimache ze oboy ya do wetimache obia betimache
sure
ene ye ade a ehia pa o chinso a wache obi am say crystal clear cameras here near shasi you be that say obi esu e enti here maybe you set the pace for people to follow the dynamics always come from Sompa yaba today you relax okay Kwame let me tie en seba o kanyina na dear me person me rum kakra ye yura kwabena dufo. Why this said this same man Ayobia why the governor of the central bank.
Yes.
Nyankopon domno esa man be a minister for finance. This is the man that we are talking about. Enti kwabena dufo ene eyame de say Ghana nyina sabi mpraduasa ya adwen bafie because during his time the governor of the central bank na Ghana still you go do omaimu na you to go do omaimu yes satan na PMC for na any gold board and they say who say Ghana for yanka say you to yen gold wa I'm happy say the gold board and so afa kwanya sanya kwanya nyina so a omu collaborating with individuals and institutions you can say companies omu building omu setting up a refinery companies ebe refine yen gold no enema ye ni nei na ya niema nke ya no years ago anka Ghana yen tise baby atia and South Africa for twene ahantan a country ayan ya boa womu to get independence, which is a fact. Omanya ya boa womu abo omanya independence ahoto Nelson Mandela baby owo bia be so rest in peace amre wo su but Kwame me blame South Africans too much. The only place I blame South Africans no abuse. Any baby omo bo physical assault omo assaulting their co-Africans. And what they are amane. But what they are saying, you know, it is right. Ghana yenye bida na Nigeria for mukasa omu nye bida. Kwame enche kra Ghana edru baby ye say eniyama ye retail for no yan companies are about foreign nationals emamo mo kwan say omu be ye retail no omu ye ana ya catch them ne teach you mazi for aboso kan and swamazi and all those places aka che Nigeria for no na waka ne say enya de so mbe allow mu aba ma ton sa de ma no because ya mera kuni no e ma ho kwan. In 1983 Nigeria sorry say Ghana for Geomukro Afa and for that matter in 1983 over pan Ghana for a because Omo will say there was a decline in the economy. Sata no na president I friend Shehu Shagari ana neho Kwame it's not the first time. Yes. He was the president or ma executive order say Ghana for anyone now the so-called undocumented. Yes, Omufio man.
Na Sata no kura na 1969 Ghana did the same thing to Nigeria.
Oh, let me finish with the Nigeria paper. Yeah. I'm saying, sir, Nigeria for the marshals so many companies of South Africans. No, I'm dealing with countries who attack South Africa. Kwame, it is not new to us. This continent ain't new to us. The only difference, South Africans no, so. Kwame, Ghana must go na eno kra besi na e de bag bidin ye de ato bag bi so Ghana must go.
Yes.
E kwanya alata for to Ghana for awia kete so won ko nkrom if so minor economy no aba from and foreign nationals are enjoying the popular agege Ekoba so Ghana that time who teacher for bebre so mu migrate to Nigeria and people who invest a lot get plow back sika omunyai mu invest our Nigerian economy ni as that time in 1983 January under the watch of President Shehu Shagari apam Ghana for nyina. As you rightfully said, no Ghana here complaining, no we've paid Nigeria in so many ways. Yes I dey way be at in so many ways. Ya pam Nigeria for that. While African countries are pam only African countries, I can go on and on and on. It is not the first time. Now, the Ayame Yana say, Yen film as Africans. Nyansa Yen film say, Sam Branda was en kayempenyum for Guinea. Now, one who say, Emreasun say you develop your mind. So, who in painful say, Enyakwa. So, what are we talking about? It is not new. The only thing that South Africans near a time how they bullied their co-human beings, if not even Ghanaians. In South Africa, Bofuna what Tamani, Namunya Habankra na Matiari. Yenya na Yabel mo and Yabeko Jebu. Enti enei sensa dania eye dan ana Kwame Agyarko ho say anu nti ene omunye business biom yampam MTN for yampam ngofo dey say DSTV for yampam ona waka MTN for the waka. Kwame, I have worked with MTN before, very long time ago. Now, if I tell you the number of people who survive because of this business, Kwame, Ghana Canadian or Ghana Telecom, Ghana one tax, okay, yeah. Ariba, and space to space by space phone. Then we go to Ariba. If you are Ariba, you bedru baby edru. Kwame, ya transmogrifier from 132. Tell you say now. I know quite they believe say. Send your sister from Ghana Telecom. No, it was Ghana own telecommunication network and Kenya transmogrifier. And no echo saying. Then we call in for private investors, and no more investor tell us a phone company no say we are major shareholders. And no crowd want them to say the current telecell group is doing well, but Kwame, take it or leave it. When it comes to numbers, MTN is leading. Kenyans assembly actually say, arise Ghana youth, and you say, arise and go and fight. Arise to shine. Surrender strength. This is the time. I was here did nemesis and say. And next a minute be what baby near be a Ghana company. Nani pana ya na drink say. Obe say na. Now my yet to quite into Abisa. I was a yes original fighting Nipan. And my revered managing director, enemy didn't come, any didn't come. Or say, there was a popular restaurant, our Ghana. Restaurant of our Ghana for because they're Ghanaian. Ghana for no abuse, they do baby, also no shut it down. And then came a Lebanese investor. Lebanese investor ne buy no. Ano kachi omu nyina say, this is the new face. Wow, be yedbo bia the number of plate obe serve no anye de be mawo. Kwame, this same Ghanaians ado no mu ko omu complain say omu sika nye omu de on commission base no. Now omu ye adwuma 24 hours in a day. Because you know very well say the number of plate that you serve will accumulate the amount of money you get at the end of the day a month. And the other way and some day same venue, same menu, same chef, same bibia same, but change in management, change of management. That is how the mediocratic way we are as Africans. Now, Lebanese but the moment we see a different color, and it is not helping us. And because our attitude, our mannerism, our way of doing things, is so poor and bad. Our attitude towards work, our attitude towards money. Ghanaian man who seek the next thing enjoyment instead of investment. We can see I'm not saying so Onyaska. I so used to do that rethinking kakakra. Because nipa de ye gidie.
Onyaska dibi.
Onyaska dibi. Ade de
and went in our break.
Kwame ndem ntwam to onyaska dibi.
Onyaska dibi.
Na yire wu de ya. Di kakra ma me eya.
Dibi wonim da obeko.
But Kwame so ba bisu na di no kwase di a wonim se mande oba be sra be manager ma me kakra. Manager na. Ade mi mu awo.
Na manager na de mu no.
I don't know where I said it. I don't think that you Kwame. Kakra she ho your friend chairman. Your friend manager, your friend chairman because of that. Director, chairman, senior, captain.
You
see, our behavior and you kuyen as of mine. Ya kasa ni aye ho atamfo ne ye kuyen ho. Enye obi a na kuyen. And there should be a paradigm shift. Things should change. And yema ensesa. Because na make catch you be say so we are juma that just 15 days na yentwa oka na untimi survive you have a big problem.
Very
because emergency BSC anyame mfasa mana wuni obi a wo a okwa no
so what time
so we have to rethink and see the way aye nyoma ne sesa nyama.
Okay.
Because make South Africans omunye bibia untold. The only thing ye bro na omu pumanfo no ene ye kwan a kwan bon uru omanum you know say was our documents kwani ye won boys bi omu okrom aduma ye man tian so to bia ye mpa adwuma. If I should tell you the amount of money Nigerians and Kwadana omu piasa phone cover phone case ne ho nyoman they are making in a week. Chuku kacha me say Oga Ghana money na big o. Your boys don't want work. They don't want work. They won't look good. They won't fine babes. But they not get nothing. Akwa me to a protector one who asia.
Can't say nyina we see.
Atuo na Ghana mranti epe.
Atuo.
Akesesam ne epe. Yempe adwuma. Kwame me ne maame bi owo enye obia but sometimes obi on a good area etutu kokko. And if the woman should tell you the amount she's making, Kwame calculate daily nam the CNE bosome. Una ne we omobo my she got damn money. Oh sikaten. But we want to look good. Say my chef fugia shemichi amebe ko meyi mete condition. But we don't think of how to make money. South Africa for it here. So, yenya yakwa South Africa down. We know say South Africans no. Enyema pa omu ye pa ne say omu pa kesem. Kwame Nigeria for no matter what. Omu peska sem omu ni briska they work hard for money.
Because
they know how to spend money. Every Nigerian dream is a friend oga. And to economy anymore, they look at places and to him or shall say phone cases na fe wakwaje shop odi shop no akofa Nigeria for boys ni bia be ko so mza Ghana for dem pejuma no akofa Nigeria for boys ni bia no han room wa mom single room or 2 bedroom bi no do ma begum no mu sori no mu chi sa you know mu de nam no mu toma no eti Nigeria on say Ghana for no mbote Ghana for me adwuma nyeska Kwame edu weekends anase program bi ba ne e kire mema semu a ya kire mema semu because South African for man so mpa adwuma no mo pomu no Kwame so no man feel good dia anwumre na o
na onim say South Africa baya bi na wodi anim no Jacinta
okay
Jacinta ai o se Nigeria ni bi ama na broken heart da
kwasi asem say Kwame abata for you do ma broken heart me kam kire omu ma say
omu so di omu ni mo
bebre na omu ma because omu say
omu ni mo do di omu ni se scan on pe
yes scan ape to no sori a en hanu entete ni for do sem bia me hanu jaro no nko ye na dwuma mra baby and you didn't call me baby you couldn't test me sanse hunu na e wo Ghana youth ni no baby you didn't call me you couldn't even check up and the whole day you've only called me once you only called me this so you don't care about me Barbara mono no at the end of the day no you don't care about me into week you don't care about me no into week into mok. But maybe you don't care about me. Maybe you didn't test me. Unso call ni mo. Unika prefe na brano fefe. You want to live like someone they say, despite money. Who bondog? Kwame say time we tell you the truth. And say how ko ye dwumo ha. South Africa for living. Kwame ebe your especially. Say who tena Joburg money adia. How te say bro chire. Ana adia so sika won wa da bia benya biare. South Africa kakra won ho a some years ago so kaya na AC high edu be kra near the condom sisi vantageous position say brand any use because na AC spread it unya kakra Kwame me short to sisi Mary and that is what Nigeria form man say na Friday
over there
o min chechem o mo mti azete e code eti ewia o medi code ya ma
anti over there
Kwame Mary Zemi twa nko ade Mary
uti ama hwan uti ade yin
South Africa
uti ade yin
utimi so to oba na de be mo are
de na be mo are
oba enwo mti asete de be mo are
de no de
na South Africa mema no mpa adwuma bebre na mpa adwuma enti nice girls bi a wono asport no o Nigeria ni o Ghana ni o ba wa bo hard wanya ga ni di wachi na ha so mu fa bufo mpam
okay
and one nobody reason behind him reason behind him undocumented then South Africa for the meter shop no mo gumu within months
na a shop back wa me hu na video shop no nipa na wo mu nyina film shop no nyina film no bi bisa question say now you said they should leave come and occupy
Kwame abrofo no more South Africans we say South Africa ya abrofo ne before abrofo no more omo professor mbefa Nigeria ni Ghana ni dan so mbefa South African because South Africans are lazy
omo ya kwadwofo omo mpa adwuma yes e dru Mondays a omo nkwa adwuma
Kwame hangover china wo say adwuma bay hangover china wo say adwuma bay
wanya ge ba ko bi ya ba ko pi
ya o down kwa onwie ye
onwie
eti me the diplomatic way no mu can anything get the say yanchichi de kuroye that's all no so mu mpe Africans South Africa for Tobia minim ayi agreeing a hit ebo mu timo mu so mu ye nya Africans so mu ma say ayi
mo so mu nya Africans
woni mo South Africa
fe no mo di na mo do
South Africa you won TV so na bi wonya pesa mo na ho ma de mo ye kama
me can in a way mema na ho hunu ne ho fe ni mo say ye
mema de ho nya fe South Africa for ma ho ne fe pa
ma no de ho fe de
mema ne bi mo ma pa o twa kwabra ni ani pa easy
kwa bi say me copy ho na me ba me di bi bebreo
mesro wadi bepa kame ko bi jebi ya so kache wo radio so o si kwale also ayadia a hard bagana pen for the more serious note ɛyɛ call ma yɛ nyinaa ɛyɛ call ma yɛ nyinaa na baby amebɔ mpa yɛ ne sɛ South Africa for yɛ mpanyinfo no mbɛyɛ ayarehwɛ wɔ hɔ no mompam mu they say mu kɔ South Africa India ɛhɔ pa no mu ta ko munya hayi
a wonkɔgya ayarehwɛ
Germany ne other places yɛ pam yɛ nyinaa Kwame yɛ ba bɛ kyiri
thank you very much ma yɛmfa sedama Roman father aduro no ɔno na boy chidom anɔpa yi ɔsɛ menka nkyerɛ wo sɛ ɔno ɛbɔ chidom no na ɔbɔ chidom no aka kyerɛ wo sɛ numbness wo nsa ne wo 983 stroke ɛna how honam yaw ne honam mmerɛ ɛwɔ wo so pressure ne diabetes yadeɛ bi ayɛ kwankɔ ɛwɔ wo so a ɔsɛ menka nkyerɛ wo sɛ ɛno nso yɛ mmoa a ɔde ba bɛboa wo sɛ ɔba bɛboa na afei watu saa yadeɛ no ase nti deɛ wohia ɛyɛ Father Martin's herbal mixture duro no sɛ ɔbɛgye bi na afei nso wɔde amix nneɔma na afei wɔbɔ bi no anu numbi na yadeɛ na ɛwɔ wo so no atu aseɛ ɛde ama from 0247 919 122 RSY Novigi Studios and American for the amount wahyɛ wɔ African print te sɛ ɛyɛ King Abubada wahyɛ wɔ African print te sɛ King Abubada na wahyɛ wɔ fugu te sɛ Kwame Wusun Kontabisa na opɛ studio bi ne atwa kr anampo mu twa sini mu twa film mu pɛ baabi ayɛ mo pe studio gina ne nanso na ye twa nso be kama de aye RSY Novigi Studios or Accra Malama Biase off First Kokroko Street friend was 0574 715 778 na moni nkomo tago heba mixture na make am for the amount enunti say what dress kama to say King Abubada ote yi wahye ne space asa na African ye a channel say na ne watch ne bracelet ne nasefo kawa no shine sa se wuwie a nya ni nyina na ye memmasem no wuwie a wokowura da mu a me hu se o ye bema eti tago heba mixture se men kan kire o se eho na memmasem ne memmayo no ewo after se wo botom na fe ni padua no so ayefe no pacho se eho no so no the good mo ba no feel good mo ba no hunsisi ne ho so mo ba no fro daddy mo ba no fro miwura because what daddy wo wura no pacho so what yake wo wura no tu wura no sa de echi a wo be address wo yie pa odua ne so be ye ne kama onya nyi chop money kran to wo kran no onya kire se miwura anyumre be aduane we e de amount no misra wo kwa menche wo so what yake aha ne ma sisi ye ne ma totoye ne ma koye pacho etago heba mixture na make ache come for the amount say ade no so sore kura na je say oni o no say me da na mada obambofo bi na ebo me ho ban what you say pacho me srew ene wo bambofo tago heba mixture mane mo ho ban mane nyane ade no mfa ma what you say wo mane nyane ade no mfa ma na for boy djuma na bibia nkoyie say infections ahodo so a tago heba mixture ne capsules na me come for area ma from 0243228296 na fi moni nkomo drug store pharmacy shop bia no obenya bi wo Mr. enemre oniama na obesi no etoda perfume na wo ya wo koto sade spray atade mu se be hwam no perfume ne board dinje sana wo kope bi ata ya wo bre mi wanso ya after wash bi wo ho after wash ya your friend comfort I know what's the senior na wo ba be yi nioma na kwa hata di gunsuo no mu na se wo dia sanfra tade no mu ayi akwa hata no me say fragrance dey chire no hey smell e water de no mu no wohia perfume bia bia mu wonama wo ho hwehwen kama ni nyina ne se comfort wo de asi wo nioma nti bia wo bia mesrew emma watade no mu nyinka da bi watim fifire na wie no wudware wie a wo de se wo ni sure wo ni spray bia ba bia mesrew comfort na wo de asi wo nioma nti no wo sha atade na wo ye cool emu so I change perfume no kra obe use no me say onti kope bi pe comfort na fi use we free Unilever for o ma so e o say comfort agi baby sciatica expert at 21st clinic sciatica expert at 21st clinic make am for mo dia ma wa no pai o to ase na etwetwe nipadua na ye o ya sisi ntumi nante wakampem wudampem enhyada nya yade bia ne mum pains na wo namunti no wontumi nya hwe a mesro for nichire moto 21st clinic me kamfo aduro na se me kamfo hospital na me kamfo bibi de amawa no wohu se me nim dia maker because me mfama no nka asem keke da bi me Kwame Agyarko me a principal man ndi answer na me ka de no me kamfo amawo no na me ama fa ekira so ahwe so what you see ti 21st de kwa massageo o se yes scan e bi ha won so ani yes scan no na laboratory nso ye de wo fafam ewie nso na massage na ya massage to ugina wonan so aruti 21st clinic sciatica expert and I make am for the amount of pay Ghana for the nyina wo honom Kumasi hanom ahwa overseas abi a Sompa 93.1Fm wo na dynamo soro and 21st e wo form Obuase Council Court Escort Junction no Mubutu Accra Tantra Hill ubisa ubehu Sunyane opposite teaching hospital Kranza omo wona techima nzo Mubutu hodom ye hia ne so be fa no mbesi no afre na ya mal direction ama location ama waba na fi ya jawo ni pedua no ho adwuma 0249311311 0540311311 evacho kuayo investment kesi pa ba di munisa ya fa na say brejuma enye brejuma kua ya dia sika wo mu papa na di wo mu ni se onya anasa wanya eniema udi be gugugugu no baye no so amana so doche a acho sika no ma na da bia meka se no baye no so doso eba bebre a ena wo sika nso ba bebre kuani die sa da tie wo bro no wo beans no wo legumes no ne ni asefo eba ba bebre a na kire se sika nso aba bebre OCP fertilizer na make am for the amount. Your OCP 1515, OCP 102010. Ko yusubi na M1 na no buy no. Engineer na national bibia ko ye emfa emmaw. Ken Abu Bada wo di atrase. Na no pay obeka se mahinha mani. Ehwe na ho fa me. Sini nan so yi pa. Ken ma che. Bibia fine.
Nyame adaro ma osale na aja aka ho.
Efie ye.
Infide boko bibi e koso toti kama pa sene ya plan is e beza ya sa na e koso na yeje akunye sei no a na yeje prese na e de nchi akase e de ama DKM de na kwaku mensa sene ma no na ho fama any strategies a o de ba MPP party nim say MPP party no e bese na ni monyam na onim say ade ba afefefe o ye ekura wo nkremofo afahye mu pa ayo wa na enyako na ko nya ni se ofumbra fi yegodu fi a ade fefefa di ke kura ye kura de communicators nya na nze bia me ngwambo na wafrɛ mi o communicators nya na group de fi o ono mu nyina to se di owie no jo mo kwa fefefe ni ade ze ade a di ke mo ye no eye unprecedented no matched and say MPP for be hwe ho it is no because our former or my party no nze na MPP function no nyam na mo to aba no de man so a kiane ki city eluzu asantime mu abia obe organize and be where they obaji city no e dia maye mam fanje ke no mo chema o de no kwaku apia ubon din chema koka o say I care ono so ye original chairman na MPP for e de no eba am che oba o maye oba o Mrs Victoria also chan on the women's organizer incoming nse MPP for the ebenadum atra CD e be dinle Ghana ho
mate Abada, you looking good this morning too.
Oh, thank you very much.
Looking good.
Also there in the bad good. I wish
I made a year more for my come for life. Oh, the end they work with before life. Local man and fence. Upieno yeru.
We pa. So here na you say oh na uni dia nza na akora me say time no ya ben.
I say you say we ye jumani ye. Abubada. I carry me down here.
No ya pa. Dia me boss no. The game team you no administrator.
Yeah.
I think there many communications director but on the administrator.
Mama nchia DK we so no pay.
Chia no bete.
Na catch Dr. Keskin say.
Okay.
I've had enough.
Okay.
o de kasa chen say Agyarko say
okay,
he has had enough.
Okay.
Indeed, the next time no be me hear excuse be abi.
Okay.
Pacho what you
okay.
O de kasa chen
from here no.
We see ni nua Agyarko who by show so no se catch no. Because me say Oba communications director for the Ashanti region. What you say? All the all catch and say obeti ase. Ka all the kan say be chere no me.
Mate.
Dr. Keskin. My bad my men chere no pay.
Asem the mood.
My men chere no pay.
We dey get fato hin na no but.
Say I say me o ye di kan di sumanza. Ane. Ndi odi suma. Di hene di suma. Na say response ha ma. Na fi dey watia.
Mate.
What you say?
E baby bia pepe.
So ti animo.
But animo.
But we're going to talk about IMF bailout. Yeah, free mono. At to force and say there won't be any need to go to IMF because for any foreseeable future be there because we and near more media Google Kwemua and then I say come and be doing command of pay sounds so and President Mahama switch say current economic stability and your fluke. So it was sustained. Very sustainable big general answer. And then controversial LGBTQ plus bill Parliament are presented for the second reading. And also you be the home command of Payana has said here a whole ensem esi etia but Bubada permit me now for me messages kakran sana ya shase because ya tifo no omuhu ehia papa omadwen sha hodo omode ba no ehu hia pa Adisco Gbogbo or say father I really miss you watching you live from Manso Tontokrom. Greetings to my Kwame Agyarko people. Okay, Soto MK or say sacking people from their job is not good, and that's not the policy of NDC. They should bring any policy on board. Okay, good policy on board. Filippo Kwabre Kasim or say Master Dambruka Kinte Thread Shop. Okay, Kwabre Kasim Master Dambruka Kente Thread Shop. As a honor butu. Also, it is going to be possible for Dr. Bawumia 2028. Greetings to my daughter from Paul Manswe Charles Felix and my mother Auntie Mary of Genesis Filippo Diabano. Maswood Kumasi Bantama. Also, at this crucial moment, those who voted for the NDC have regretted and would never repeat such mistakes in 2028. The NDC government has never implemented a single policy for the entire country to benefit. Fellow Ghanaians, let's have faith and confidence in the NPP led by Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to restore hope for Ghana. Hashtag Bawumia Twaso 2028. Regards to Honorable Sampine, National Affairs Vice Chairman hopeful, and Asanteman Kuka. DJ Opadi more from Kumasi Swami. I say we voted for the NDC party to develop the country, but not purposely to mislead the country and mess everything up. I love NPP party. Greetings to lawyer Chirichi, deputy secretary. Okay, Ashanti Regional Hopeful. Dr. Bawumia, Chama Odenoho, Kwekwa Pia Santeman Kuka, and Maxwell Fosubuachi, former MC. And Napo, okay, also need Benji Mfansi Syria. Or see, what did the propagandists want the government to deliver and he hasn't done? Because of their personal interest, they didn't get it. That's why they keep on making accusation and accusing the government. Some people have stayed home for 8 years. We didn't hear any noise and allegations. But just 15 months, the opposition party says they are in hardship. Also Nedia Ade Abano Ibo Boatin Achimana Rebehi member NPP media patron. I say the flooding issue must be critically looked at because it is causing a lot of damages. The various assemblies you act now. Hi to Chairman Odenoho Kwekwa Pia Kuka, Honorable Amwa Awuku, Michael Ashanti Regional NPP Secretary Hopeful, and Shirley Tiwa MP at Chimanwa South. Also Nedia Ode Abano. No Starboy. Also watching you live and clear at Ahafumim Airport, Fantastic show by all standard. Keep it up, please. We want the people of South Africa to leave our country now because we want to fix it. Greetings to Honorable Haruna Mohammed, MP for Sunafo North. Kwadjo Space and my lovely father. No joke. And also Nedia Ode Abanono. Ti on dia obedia banti. My for messages no nsi hanum na fi membra yemehye nkomochiche na ase ewo eye honum. Evans Abedia Tnasiesi and Wurem. Let me introduce him as such. Wabalit. Evans Machi.
But guys, I have also.
Abum to say.
Yanko Pandaroma, Bibia Woko, Namuswe.
Yamiadum, baby, our friends here.
Yamiadum. Is recently a branch picking up nomination forms. So I'll use this opportunity to congratulate all my aspiring branch executives.
Okay.
Or my idea, because it's not an easy task. Say you fight for the party and expectation, very high, but in number, but still they are still fighting. Say Ghana be and on here.
Okay.
And TV will call.
Mate, the radiasi. Ken, Amisha Silva Blue also. LGBTQ plus, and then they call Parliament for second reading again.
Honorable, but that's now. I'm fine. Checkers is more or if one with TFO. Na asem we no as ya twe no srenya basa ya twe dawe wo ho a na I don't think say this is the time anka e be ka say is also be debate on LGBTQ movement because over the years I didn't say a topical issue ya kan wasama kan na meme de bia me transnational topics we say ba me mu say a way to sway Ghanaians from enyema ekoso abani failure something to cover up the government's failure because we are making so many promises and or the what say ngofo nya wishimu aban mu amadin say wishimu mu nya nyina na say akoye white elephant indiama we know that me say aban the bar the dey say we mfa we mbra say na be ya nsem bi ekoso no yebetimi ede ameki cover up. Recently, I know some of us some messages or phone so near the or no message. Yes, a bank of be say, ye live your bar. Yes, he will be say, ye live your banning one idea. I'm not banning who say, or experiencing public backlash now. They saw ya and say, my family be seen from Parliament. Now, you say, oh, just to cover things up. But they have overwhelming majority in Parliament. Where from the second reading? You don't need anything to read. When not making your promises to the Ghanaians, say, "Pa, when I may family values bill, Bemani Bemenshia, Bani or Benshia, Mubia Bemani, Abuenshia Muno. I don't support it. I don't subscribe to it. The mayor said, "Baby, everywhere they make noise here in Ghana, specifically this current communications office, even the minister." Sam George, and now he's nowhere to be found. Now I thought say, Amudi be call parliament ground. Now I become one. It's one of the minority MPs. Areas of Jekachom say, you have them, you have majority. You have the numbers to pass this bill. Yet they are supporting 100% because Mona Mokachi Akufo say because of foreign aid in Akufo intimate sign LGBTQ bill. It is now no nyame ya dom na say bibia ensa so echi na say ye betimi asan adenti na ye ensan we kwa de me ayako me de say enya reading bia me de me say we say ni enya reading
but say want to sorry for ko pem man me ye mra wa bra the process I was say go through parliament no and go through the
only process in say majority carries the vote, right? And you have the majority.
But it must be captured in parliament. Proceedings.
Accepted. And I read the minority in parliament. We are telling you, say the ball is in your court. You have everything. We have majority in parliament. We have the numbers. We have everything to pass this bill. I don't think say this one will generate debate. I be travel once I be debating we as I be train diagram ti aba paaye dey can say somebody aba and we just simply so aka na mre bi and Ghana for so sharp mo ato aba e dey amamo and aba nso mo to mo no so no omo hwe LGBTQ no so be kai a Voice of America radio BBC some judge interview Groma or say our culture, our traditions, our customs that doesn't permit LGBTQ that no more circumstance no ade enwu hia de ade ntina ana aban to aba e de ma wa the sole motive is that you salvage your people from any plight they are going through, any suffering they are going through. Adia emwa Ghana ni no, adia emwa Ghana de je no. Enu nti na we leader. Ya to aba edia ma wo. Enti wo na say wo di proper implementations of policies ebeba. And say good policies ebeba. Ebeba je Ghana for. Enti en say wanga sa waka wasam say beba LGBTQ bill. Our family values bill no. I actually say never say maybe a best twemo. That's what we say. Oh, but now inside the parliament, I'm just even say, possible now the president has signed a BMRA. And one year train because you can't send same breo kromha. You can't send same breo kromha to the sense that former president Abasnako, NDC activists nibi, NDC communicators, I catch them, they say, oh yeah, you can't say, oh yeah, gay, no fast for in the bush for a gay. And then Yamiadum. Na se mu to me nyako Ghana for ahwe wato abama mo na abana Ghana for to ma mo no wato out say some the parliament nyina so yede asan so yede aka mo adentina you don't based on the majority you have the numbers you have number 5 because emra because of your D11 no amati na no pass D11 no am ka say oh you want to stabilize the energy sector no amati am ka say oh you dem fa D11 mra na mfa magi Ghana for sika no amatina they were able to pass etiwe no edi asem no pesa wase aso omo tutu agbo no da be check Ghana for say agbo be ni anaso pesa to mo ni share some of us yenum na e be kan wasem say ABI ni en support some pesa another say yeah I shall any day defend my party but no so nche say LGBTQ na kan wasem say mo man no na say wo so wo be sign na abemra na Ghana ni timamuni Ghana de she na atwene ho free nyema boni ya enye ho a I didn't tell me support no be because against it me dey me support it 100%. Say you are Dondramani Mahama say parliament if a parliament are able to pass this bill now or send it to it na nyemra say ne be ya memma nhia mu no emma na emma nhia mu na me bia be mu ya kan wasam aka okromu ha no etuo betwa na Ghana ni no yenzu say your culture your customs no be at play na you respect your culture na de mrebe ni kan wasam no you respect your tradition no you respect your customs no because oma bia obeira afensai obeto na bakosama to atwere no it is oma na ira enti ya bakosam ni say we shall any day protect and defend our customs and traditions intermediate me support 100% say it's St. John Dramani Mahama say parliament e pass bill now or send it to it na emeyambra
Evans
Bonigazie
mami ntiwe
me da say me betena edwomu anu na wasa me chia me soft panyi the general superintendent of the Savior Church of Ghana soft panyi Abraham me chia no pai na me chia kwa breeze NDC fo nyina na afi so me sure mo say edwuma ya sha ase ayeye no omonhwe so na edu ho no mu a omomvanti sanembra na yemedi animu na bibia anya kama eno ani ade a ye sere o na menchia me teacher ba ko abode o safo kasem ayefre dodo na fe na samgwa teacher abode Presby primary e ho no na me da se na menua o kasa nyina na me nyenye kakra se wo hwe me a o ba na so wan prepare omwa ne ho ehefa na hu o man be mu ne wa obi sori free ni keteswa na wa fa de no we de ko parliament de do parliament obi anka ho asem ye debate about it ye nye hwe yesi enyemra me hu bi da minim se bia hu bi da ba kire me dia because mani free dia me di politics achi and as me hwe friends governance no ye ni mi say asemba ye nyina tam ye friends MPs ni de ko parliament so omukwa obia they debate on it so omo hwe na be bro man na majority ni nyaji tumu a ansa na ya plenty achi ba bi de e de ama no so azare de yakọ executive friends procedure ho president enya ma assent pa na bibia e kama na ye LGBTQ+ ya asem ya ebeto bia so a ye kan edi kan bai mampanyi bi betena so parliament ko tenase na BP o majority omko tenase o mbobo ho no mu nyina agitum se dabi ade no we have to protect our values and culture because Ghana values and culture no ebi nkyere nyomo bia was say ni kwa say ye no ma bi won ma ni kwa say ye te say oba na oba beda be ma ne be ma be hia ne sa ne omanyoma na ye hyemu no enche yembra no esi friends yembra no esi ho kwan saa edi kwan saa practice no ya la wo Ghana ha no mu nyina agi atum ene ye dia bre parliament ye dia bre president say president oda wo ma fa won sa hyase na bibia anya kama won sa hyase a ansa na adimu o ma ansa hyase nya de bedimu na naru ye hwen han ne MPP aba ye hwen han e ka kire Ghana fo nyina say ehu hia mo me mfa nto baabi na ye nkoye nim wa ka hwe president aba John Dramani Mahama oba he no one na pamfo nyina na aba no mhwe din da bi mesa ye womu no ano odin etie hwe na ye nche oman ne kakra enkodu brebi ebe ne du na say ebre pamu a ye nyina ebe sa de ade na edai aba parliament biem na ya bubu ho there could be amendment so that is because there's a international bodies for air fight there so one hwe ni ye no one amendment a na obi nso e right bi on ma one free no ni nyina wo so hwe sa ne o ma no na you be film na de be count the ensem fata no watwe film the ensem fata na be protect your values ni de also tumi shem edimi ni ni amadwene ho na just ko parliament the parliament will judge on it say do ba bi na say ye de no ma bi shem a ye de shem ye no ma bi film a ye de film ye wiya ye de akoma president the president ye wiye ya hwehwem the MPP for no omujare ho no omantimi anye no ye ba no ya hwem enoma we ABC wom emwa ye ye film CD wom e wose ye de be ka ho nitimi enkra na ewo akire ne ye mofra ene Ghana fo nyina dai esua because za akra bi wo no na say sabi be ma ne be ma ehia mu a obetuma ye dai esua but ye nyamra bi na be bo ho ban dia mi koye bi ama dai mesuo no ne say me ahwa me ko prison it was am twin ho dai every ho so enti e be sere ye nuanom sasem we ye kakra o sanko mu ye bi oso mu ko mo no tum ana oba na oba be ka 11 wasem me aya na ya mesere saade ye enya government na initiative you any government ni mo hwe mate so what say enti MTN for na ya o maji so mo de ba enti e be sere say your friends say mama for ma no nsi be de ba no nsi no wadawo ma e wo saade en ko parliament na parliament ye hwehwe mu amendment bi won no so mo ya no ma ye o mu hwia president ye wa gina simpie so aka several times say ye de bape obesign ama bibia ye dai aye adwuma
mate mamena see we on Facebook or say hello bra Kwame good morning we free Bella Shandi honum and our dear Banti and tell me the WhatsApp messages no so about twice so the amount our honum 1212112 let's move to our next topic now fi yankoye ni mo hontino me no na aka ni nyina de related so IMF bailout no IMF bailout needed in foreseeable future at all force and anything so current economic stability not a fluke it will be sustained President Mahama so if it will be sustained not and as a fluke it means we are not going to go to IMF again but we have same statement coming from Abaya who do a say IMF will be a thing of the past but yes now Evans what makes this one different in Tia give it to me adhere to me akasa indeed you call IMF because we've been to IMF for 17 good times almost a baby of a baby or IMF or you sa papa na num sa you ni asa kwa kopi
unia medasi na de tie ne se eti se de wo no wo fatifie na ofa ekwa bruchire da bia osanu sika no a kire se akwasi ana akwabena fasika we to fire hu yi da bia o mo tika se fasi dan ma no a no asa ma obi se fa we to hu na so a kire se menko we nu but when die eye wo dia wo hye wo bo se nyankopon ya adoma na sia metoka abrewa obagina chinje unyina chinje because won say wo fa no ebia no bra no bia no wo de ade e dai ebrew yeni anu mom ko 2024 ya enje you Ghana for mom mi ewe fi asem sa o aba no otiso a to jimi ni buru 100 Ghana cedis ye wu okro ma o ye ho papa ye disa aba no sambre no obetra o ka kire se ye be sere mo se ye nkwa ma bi ma ye nyina ti ana ye sere but nei neti maka kire se Ghana ye problem nyina na ensolve edie nenso ye kuma en haye kakra die ntia meka sa ne se satama na aban dada no inflation e da say 24 because 23 point something no e bro 5 nkwa de 24 ye ba ye ya hihye ne ma inflation ba beda 3 is here 3.4 but edu 5 ntino mathematically ye de be 3 so bi nyoma bi ye dey koso na inflation na aba no ye hwe ade ye say ye itimamufo no I reflect ye botom abi hwan ha ye kakra na ye kan wasem na na one ebi ni say dey enyoma bo price of goods and services ebi ye cement so what as here and then cement bo ye say
kan baby say we dey faye ba
o dey be say me money nyina so what as here ebi ya your loss ekoya ko do 9,000 and anu me be do 72 class at so about 71 intimate mamuni mo won ma ade free 9,000 na sabi mabon kra na abedu 7,000 de me titu kra free ma me UBB free so me nim say ma fa ehoma mienu ayedai afri so cement eso ayedai ate sabi emo na ye tujimi na twam 100 Ghana cedis eno kokro ma ye bon dokomi e bi 45 bi 50 so I fofofo emo kra na ye moderate as they say o fa metima ka say Ghana percentage your friends higher and as a greater percentage ni nyina no patronize no sai mo no ene e bi 70 Ghana cedis e bi 60 Ghana cedis ene o twa say ye komu ye dai high e wonu ma bi ni price be dai ba fom ene o kokrom so ko ton tare ne paboa kra na aba fom unia ababoa na bi ton 350 Ghana cedis no ene o be kono anya 300 da na 250 ene o twa o say timamuni no inflation na da bi e kan ho asem no I reflect your pocket kakra if not 100% kra na ayedai abafom ye hwe ye ka ana Ghana na yede so unnecessary spending ana na abanda da na yede oye but ye ba ye control government ni control ni expenditure say the be ayedai enko bro so na ochina bi no ye enkoka enwasem IMF kra ye ba ya e se ne sila ye and IMF bompa Ghana ya progress mama 4.8%. It means amambo ni bibi edai ekoso debt to GDP ratio your friend debt structure no na 61.8 say about 45.3 chao say Ghana enioma bi zit na kwa enioma na enkoye no say back to normal it back to normal no minute mamuni na metin che no so obi ka bibi che me say ana say atofo sen onabo atofo sen e be jino ka say oh IMF ye yiwe ya nyom busia biem for future na bit ma next year kra na future wansem ne ye kan wansem so it will project na nyom bi watoto ne nyom bi ye no hu se da bi se ya na bekode ya ene ye hu music biem ye ma ye dai ahwe ye hu for some time ye be nya omomu akra na e be che ye nka say ye be dependent so e no ma bi won ma ye nka say e be dai e be toto e du ye nyom ma e koso o ye nyom ma ya tete so ene njaze kwa revision kwa ye say ya teso unya enti nyoma kakaka bi won ma yedai ya teso ma ye timamufo no yeso ye nya fili bi ana wo fili bi enye ni nyina de ba kan kra wo fili bi so ene sa ukoto friends emu ebom ne your friends abu ebom kra o Kwame dan so a sisi a her price no abofom ene kro so matutum kra 655 so enti nyoma bebre yedai ba normal life it is any plan no be jino ka say oh when ntino say my boss
the offer car because we feel here because still the price of lorry fare that was true
yatum na ye ba yatum
first be some 3 months ago now fruit box here na 65 and na 70
o de ko hin na ye sa
70 o de ko sunya no
70 ba bi time na ye say
na 55
na 55
by 50 and about 55
to 2024 na you say
mom pension na about 60 and I cost 65 na say was 70 to the offer car because on the on feel you ho
any car bia na atotum because I never see me catch you say if you Kwame dan so ba akufo the time na 72 but then 72 so what
okay
so what dey make catch you no
say
and 70
me call what che
and 70 na ye buy it and say asat oh recently I'm a call about na so Kwame dan so dey di what tedwe oh last month
Okay.
Me call. So by that time I buy no. You the buyer will do 60 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
So I say, and no sell, and no be a day. Abanoma me who love fair apart from GPL friends saying VIP buses are. A friend say omo dey buyer say you so omo ti so biem. Be bia ni wa increment aye dey ahye da ba. So I say it ye ti mamufo no I reflect e botom am ye nyame omo bi ade aye aka ye adwuma sem. But bibia no e nkakra because minim say mpanifo ene atitiri wutie yai itu ba so ka fat no mu e say enanam say ye fa your friend say nurse for omo messages aba o mo sha say omo ye ho adwuma so yes we buy teachers ye ba be form enche bia omo so messages be dey ebesu ti kakra ye hwe say up to September ekono ye be sa fa kakra dinen kakra nti afi ye nyama timamunu ni nya adwuma ya ensae nasa eti that time no me di be wie no that time no ni ho kire ya Ghana ni hu se osombo Ghana hu se enfifire ti no Ghana hu se o ahomitiam na me ko e friends Kwame da so kwa koye me project a mo bi o mo friend se Dubai o se bibisa eno na mitimi to eno kwa na 110 but ene ko hwe dokomi ya bu so eti wait say ye mensi bibi so eti ya ka say IMF ye nkonkoje sika biem ho for some time a o se o ji aban ni di o se hu se aban no o ni so di hu bi ma o my Ghana
Mate.
It is an TNT. Omunya aban mu gidi na bibia e be kama.
Kina Bubada. The future of Ghana is bright.
Makai, one of the famous philosophers, Nkoto Mbekiye.
What's he saying?
What's the aim of every wise person, wise man, is not to secure pleasure, but to avoid pain or suffering. And now I start to Kasembion. Or say we are what we repeatedly do. So excellence is not an art but a habit.
We are what we repeatedly do. So excellent is not an act but a habit. Okay.
Meka kusi se e kamia se entromu die ye ka NDC ase adokuro mu se nokumwa no so mutimi twa ntrosa na nsanna me comment sem so no go to all the events say search engines nebo CD rank the best performing currency in Africa. It is there. Reuters check never it is there. He say CD na ye kan wasam na minue abet na work kan zembebre a ye hu ni tini ni na ni nyina no. O say the best performing currency in West Africa. Unya na o correct no. O twi na adwen sisu say transportation cost e cost no so no ni minim ba bia minua free buy ba bia ote e bia ye ba bia our part of the world na yet no on tim bi enne o free e ko so fola ya ye boka tot be free fie be duru ha tie me oh me let me tell you
kasa mitio
be free fie be duru ha be the cars miensa ene be si ha but MPP abreso na ye ka ba akopɛ na be fa na be duru ha utie o say ye fa ne say yanko IMF biem say be open
MPP abreso na fa ka free here ba
me free so for lie to this place me ba nu scam dia fofo za be tie
ka ba akopɛ
ba sisi o fa and me free go dey so for me free me fear
then I say o fa ka me no
living condition of the people because as now drivers na ka say onu ofri fie ofri adwuma mu ko fie a go be na first no to no 3 cd no and nkuta be 10 to 15 cities are untimi ntoko be electricity bill onu onim ya tum abawo ni ye election yi bill ha ya da bank for pa ngo for tia enye base ketwa nobody say untimi nteso ani so the big can one san wetimi e dey etia ni bill ovi today what is the NRS about from busa say omo ko da hostel skasa no mutia enne unkuta be 20,000 15,000 18,000 sigi room ground be no ha okrom ha wo se dey ayo rose e dey cement hwe me se dey cheaper cement price e wo krom ha kra no almost 90 Ghana cedis. The expensive one is 150 Ghana cedis. Me see me nyam say ono anga on share down to plot put why say obesi die ko bo hu say enkonfo bre pa okrom ha me say asema ato force iken o see yen kwa me biem 2022 can of can the same thing say IMF there any options here because but you see ene dia obofo ko wonmram bia no be ka ofie and ene dia adwene pese ohu jaso na we encountered unforeseen circumstance unforeseen thing ya wana bibi bebom se ne Iran Israel war na dey eba here and the fuel prices yentimi nto kroma no sana koyeye but today me niamu there me say NDC nipe e no okrom ha o Sunday na dey ne ho atono NDC nipe o but Ghana need timamuni na okosa la ko to aba no market woman ne say okoda kedete market ya no so be tiri kofie ye ntose enne aburo na o say
ne boy ye de ana ye nto
na me say amuni purchasing power sika ni kwofo botom
ndi ode be ko jom so no
okoda
kwofo no ma met
okoda
okay
na so dey abafie ye ntose and o say go back sister no cities enne akwafo na nkasa se aburo na nkasa kra no sister Ghana series ebe sister Ghana series no dey ba the kra no ye nto be se ye nto na wo gina na ho to na nu ye ne na be kanyo cocoa farmers a wo gina simpie su ka kire Ghana fo nyina se oba wo 6500 Ghana series o musica no yate so na me se businya body e opa na obo e na yete so ho to me se me ho to me a me eja ko be de businya e dey me ho to me abusinya me mfa businya mfa nya
onkoje be
yes eti cocoa farmer no opa to se ye nkwo buji businya dia ne ho to no sika se wonya edi dia ne no ba ne ade nyina no ne nsa aka cocoa farmer is not complaining adwuma serve in terms of employment bibia koso 13 and anu ya za woni ma make a kire ho ayi interior minister say over 6,000 people enti jam for mu nyina no ma hye and I say was it 2,000 graduate they are unforeseen mental health and I say about whatever it is how they call it and woni ma oma ye ho atoye na you to compare you ma ye wo ewak ya na bebra kokowu forms na mutum ton yo kroma na ton forms ni wie no ko for those na mutum forms mu say ho atoye ma promise 24 hour economy 3 shift one kata me new we shift do say no ko e kam ye maburu me wo den kam me tin ko kam ta ko 2 ba ku nu po mi nyampo na mako ba ku nu po no yese mase yese me magodam
du nya ntui kakaka
one ka go washi
ayi puta kabuba
o ka na ba
take it is there
o ka che go washi
o see on Pan African television one of the sister stations
no
see over 6,000 people now am go recruitment no 4,000 amu they are into drugs amu say one share what drama
now na can
oh
the test
from the horse's own mouth
and that's the test babu
test me obian for test
and what test and what he me no mienu ye gitum ye dia dance ye say ye mabunu no womunu numu boni
well media minim je okay say mabunu numu boni say numu boni e dem ya me nyawe
e dem ya mo ja won track to sa ya mo track to
why ye dia ba bon tebe ka tem say mabunu na mo ga na nyina anom
no menka say mabunu ni nyina anom me say
e omo bra ye no
ya betre me say me no mienu anim asem say ye ni mabunu no bia obonu sem
ba me no nya
drugs
the same mabunu na mo drugs no we able to vote anabwa
absolutely
but constitution is say or say if you don't have sound mind any kwasa what to aba if you about to there the person had sound mind what to about the amount if you adwuma so dia who can change say
when him say security no answer dey be foul no sa sound mind na wo ka ho asem me ba nya wotre here because one all the weapons and ekwakoye adwuma 2 okwa maintain law and order what you say nti won't mean nko say the better will be a was so year that time obekwakoye the to asumi no abubada I like that Jacopo
and never say more
entro ngwan wo twa we every as mo he ni
the to asumi no so ne say when him said that your health matters when you are going to the security sector so won't mean fire the enkonkoram because of say wo kwan omo faso di omo djuma ne di omo fam ne di omo ye e betumi aba say war front they will need you for 6 hours solidly within ho na say wo yade bi e wo nipadua mu na untumi nyina bia 2 hours mpo obeyede saa time no oman no waboye ka oman no wa me defeat ye na sefo and so the health of these kids before they enter into security services is very important and we must prioritize that. So you can't tell me say ngomo kono yes so mu nyina nkuwura me en check say oh we or health issues we na jini mu da ho o me tunsi abubada so mu bona sum pam you actually yes Ghana security here say aneti abodam for nko
Eyago
yes
oche wa dwun bebre
omara kasa bebre no twa trosa omara kasa bebre no twa trosa
of the story catch them say due to the large numbers
over to me I said
I will send it to you right now I say the first of the story let me say
omara kasa bebre no twa trosa
due to the large numbers due to the elimination by rough that is there ebe mu no eti Yomri say Mr. Nyama yomri say ye try na yentimi mfa woni ntino ye se wo washi ye try na yemfa woni ntino ye se wo wabodam ya fezi man da well o mo fuma nusi
uni sheka dia na odi warusi
am mpani je di am so say e ka say ye fezi we na e koso no stability na aba no nye da su bi enenye lag bi obede so abon ho modern no be make sure so be sustaining yeah me can say me nu etia o ma me 4 policies are NDC for implement here o dey sustaining the stability of this economy
mametio
Matias na me nwa uni aye too much so o too much Matias ya kra so baby o man ko ipa be traffic because so
o do free me be over something say
baby o too much
akra o betina say
baby enye me metina say o kan kra dia metina say be entro no doso and 78 90 Ghana and 150 a day unia wa he o be say show no entro no doso too much enze mo ke kan nyina emfra so hwe abibi time no mo tama na mo for security service no who say a pieda fawo fabra bawo fawo obabra fawo se wabra ana na mo ye ba ye ke Ghana for unti and you see you to forms obi ameto bi ni envo mo for project what is this for crown your friends your supporters crown no money interior minister crown problem because of this so because the moon say Abia na be before every form mo fa omo ma me no ni we mo de ko we ma forms we am abonten ni e de transparent ni area adwuma but guy president Bekase o ka say again your friends say timamuni no o me to abama oh who you better no free so for line eba one of the last time for car straight so for line to your friends and you say oh ba hey we need to come on 2022 na fuel price e ko do 23 Ghana cedis 22 Ghana cedis ni antia w uni akata too much
mamen kai we
and do so
mamen kai we inform kakra na the all can say you also muntaka so o ma
she am tro za me and Google of what must say
mamen kai paragraph 5 no ba die bi na me said you all can say that
oh that be
brother get to say that and I said
what do tell me o chat too much
no Aisa mamen kai o say muntaka I'm quote we have over 100,000 people who went through the medicals because of the large numbers and because of what we have observed within the services. We introduce additional checks. Caveat bina baba sha no mampe. Not to say enye no ade anka mu introduce such checks.
Very good.
So you see meba you are telling me say enye don o mo do so a kam be for mu nyina say na adwini mu yo
na adwini yo
nipadua mu
o go for mu nyina
that's no I'm coming relax maybe can what you say nya bo say can what you
baby are you and baby
okay they can what
enye sa na die
you but or say we have over 100,000 people who went through the medicals now tia because of the large numbers
okay
underline now
so
because anime yes more honum
won kan nya great underline we enter so for ndie bi na wo ye no u preach duru ba bi as dey sun ni o twa so o kan kwa se oni e wudi o
na ka ma
kan kwa se o
o say because of the large numbers and because of what we have observed within the services.
Yes.
We introduce
that one is also underlined.
Yes.
Yes.
Underlined.
Yes.
I agree. I agree with that.
Yes.
To that. Because of what we have observed within the services. Until another point.
Yes.
Until point 1 and a point 2. The point 1, point 2. So what I say? Or see, we introduce additional checks, including mental health assessment and drug test.
Yes.
Interestingly,
okay,
over 400,000 failed the drug test. And we have over 2,000 who also failed due to mental health conditions.
Okay.
Okay, now one case or mercy.
Daddy! Oh, on casa! Oh, too much!
And I want case or my point in say, I say because of the large numbers. The numbers do not dozen. It was a point in the D can buy and sana what we've observed at the service.
But
now but to the opinion.
Upe key points and your large number. The Guardian Ghana, you must have
054 931 931 0551 931 931 Obas were ever found. Now the Yaya babies, not your from. But my main country will say, and next so Baby Waya Ufia, Shannon so for mammy. A ma ubia so electrician tea, oh manaqua Waya Ufia mau. I feel so open meter and patch maybe chill processor or faswa, obeying kama fenchim. The Edikai, the Oba Wire, no so a certified electrician, energy commissioner, man who quines will be to me a wire dying, will be to me a wire beer. The patcho ansana with the human mano. Because oh, wire we are obe meter. And nuntis a 1 year certified electrician, a man wire a diner mawa oko meter obe bread. I don't know guru boys be say for scabria for wibra na o kwan so sana te so sana wonya no enu nti o ko certified electrician na kwan obefa so ahunie ya the tag bi ya o mo the tag bi ebo mo ne mo sei ya kire say ampa energy commission or certified anampo wankasa we curious to say me Kwame Agyarko obeso ofechiri mu a ko certified electrician GH app no so obetumi download no akwa ko he no hu say kinabuba da we certified Evans or certified. Intimika so nko wa ya me dan mame obe wa ya mame. One the ntia ya say nie sebe ya dan ahyehyia 1 2 3 na ahye no etu obetwa. De edikan no. De tosumienu sebe ya umita no opa ebe ntem de amawo. Nti obe wa ya wi a o wa ya wi ya obekwa akoye report e de amampanifo electrical for ECG for semomra me fiwe mababe wire awie. Or why are we your mother checking and so much check we are no more send the message. Area Coma Energy Commission. Then being swasa call Electricity Company of Ghana via any netco. Anyone kasa won't change. Actually say ampa what na your wire and your wire and ye is in 9 so age 99 so 40 be any baby. The same message now on Sabekano. Now fe what they call ECG offices are who do bia. Now what they call requesting meter. Na meter no. One sakana kama oh a simple tete say you sebeya yen kofa for 1,000 bra for 2,000 bra no we chire sa na meter no so na wonya no simple way and a mature no na sa process is be sha say on the 1st of July 2026 1st of July 2026 shannon so na yen say amame na bibia ntumi enkoye on that note mame koy birthday so no na fi yen si from ewo eye honum enti Eunice so why ready yen ram na yen si from ye bre no aso 12121212 okay so happy birthday to you Lance Corporal Juliet Owusu Afriye Sunyani Prisons Canteen ehona obutu Afriye all wo colleagues no the ye catch enemy and they Kwame Usun Kwanta Bisa ye catch on and say happy birthday goes to you. May the Lord of our heavens, may the Lord of light, may the Lord who has all the powers. Onoane custody, none the powers, a supersede powers in Yano, and more buying and also. No mass Syria, a war nimino begin to lead you in all your ways. Nothing so over course why encounters are Syria your daily lives. Dear Chatwoni, may all the beautiful moments you are going to have today be the beautiful moment you are going to have for the rest of your life. Our Baba spending was I see. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday also goes to you, Clevet Boachi Yadom. You are an immigration officer at Axim from your young sister Lillian. And Lillian wishes you a very beautiful, a very colorful, a very adorable birthday. Live well. May God continue to lead you. Happy birthday also goes to you, Patience Ade Mensa, an environmental health officer at KMA. This is from your daughter Methia. She wishes you all and was in countries or cherish your papa was sacrifices a hold wire the man dinner do baby wadrin and is so. No no so bad you to me bia say one so obema proud mom. So happy birthday to you, mom. And also a ornament. Happy birthday goes to you, Nana ya Ade Pena, former 10 KNUST Women's Commissioner from Bosu. Bosu say young country say light now tall so our ofen bright ne will nantiere what na elegant and beautiful no my life and so enye fesana enkoswa enhye munyam na enye a picture and a reflection among for beginners or Kasampa. You've really lived well. On that note, thank you very much for being a part of the show by way of ear, voice, and SMS. What in Kwame Usun Kontabisa and Nana ya Frames. Barbara and your friend on the executive producer. Eunice said the echo and Mountain 10 and so at idea. What a Kena Bubada and Ka Sansona Evans and so what your monka. Joining me, Kwame Agyarko.